Most modern televisions advertise Dolby Atmos support, but that doesn't guarantee your AV receivers being fed an Atmos signal. In many setups, the TV itself becomes the weakest link in the signal chain. The first thing to understand is how audio leaves your TV. Dolby Atmos from built-in streaming apps requires HDMI eARC, not standard ARC. Without eARC, the TV will usually downmix the signal to Dolby Digital or stereo before it ever reaches your AVR. Next, check your TV's audio output settings. Audio must be set to bitstream or passthrough, not PCM. PCM forces the TV to decode and simplify the signal, which strips away the Atmos metadata before it reaches your receiver. It's also important to confirm that the streaming app and subscription tier support Atmos. Not all content is encoded the same, and many titles default to stereo unless Atmos is explicitly selected. Finally, trust your AVR's front panel. If it isn't displaying Dolby Atmos or Dolby True HD, you're not hearing it, regardless of what the TV claims. To explore availability, finishes, and system matching options, connect with our sales team or visit uberpad.com.